Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of paying your Verizon bill online quickly and easily. Whether you're a new customer or a long-time user, this simple guide will help you manage your bill with convenience. Step 1. Visit the Verizon website. Open your web browser and go to the official Verizon website at www.verizon.com. Make sure you are using a secure and up-to-date browser for a smooth experience. Step 2. Sign into your account. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your Verizon username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Register to create one. Step 3. Access your account dashboard. Once signed in, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your account details, usage, and most importantly, your bill. Step 4. View your bill. Find the Billing section in the menu on your dashboard. Click on Billing Overview to see your current balance, due date, and past bills if needed. Step 5. Choose Payment Method. Click on the Pay Bill button. You'll be presented with various payment options. You can choose to pay using a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Select the one that works best for you. Step 6. Enter payment information. Fill in the required information based on your chosen payment method. If you're using a card, enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the information is correct to avoid any payment issues. Step 7. Confirm payment. Review the payment details one last time. Ensure that the billing amount and payment method are accurate. Once everything looks good, click on the Submit Payment button. Step 8. Receive confirmation. After submission, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen and an email confirmation at the address associated with your Verizon account. Keep this for your records. Step 9. Log out. Finally, don't forget to log out of your Verizon account for security reasons, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides.